How to reset Windows and keep all apps and games. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily reset your Windows without losing your app data as well as your applications. So if your Windows is acting up and it's not working properly, so let's say if you're trying to use your start menu, but it's not working properly, it might be a good time to reset your PC. So if you want to reset it and don't want the hassle to start over again, you can easily reset your PC without losing any files. So the first thing you have to do is go to the start menu and then open up your settings. Now once you open your settings up, all you have to do is go to system and then find the reset option right here. If you don't find it here, go to the search bar and then simply search for reset and you'll find reset this PC. You'll find this under recovery inside system. So find recovery first. And then under recovery option, you have the reset this PC option. So go ahead and click on reset this PC. You could also choose to keep or remove your personal file, which also includes your app data and different applications and games. So click on reset this PC. Now, if you want to remove everything, it will delete all of your personal files, apps, and settings. Choose the second option, but if you want to keep your files, just go ahead and simply click on the first settings. It will get things ready, and once your recovery environment is ready, you should be able to reset your PC without losing any of your data. But it is always a good idea to back up your data before you do or perform such actions. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.